as you'll be able to see in a minute. 1, 2, and 3. And I wanted the white side, and then I screwed these guys and double checked them. And I also used a magic eraser to clean any fingerprints, even though I washed my hands, because this is white. Always remember, appliances you have to wash your hands for. So, let's see how this baby works. Ready? There it goes. It's pretty even. Not hearing wobbling. Let's check the light. Oop. Huh. There we go. Light's working now. Whew. It made me nervous. So, okay. So let's check all the speeds. Okay, so that was slow, high, low, and this is off. And our light works. We're good to go. I'll put the cover on. So instead of screwing this cover on like you used to, you have to match up this space to that little dent, and then you twist. It doesn't move anymore. Gently, you don't have to be like a barbarian. And we'll check out. Oh, there we go. We have light. And we'll shut this off. Okay, shut that off. Now I'll add the little, wanted you to see how this goes. See this little guy right here goes into the little ball. You just snap them in place. See the little hole there? You put the ball through the hole, and then you'll see the little opening, and you can turn your light off. And everybody has to be gentle. So you snap this one on, and then just to let you know, because this comes in a bag, the big opening goes down. If you do it backwards, you'll have this little thing. Let me see if I can get it to come out. You'll have this little thing hanging out, and you'll wonder why. Because the large opening goes to the ground. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Large opening goes to the ground. Small opening goes to the light. Okay. Fan. Light. Happy trails. Don't drink and try to do this, and don't smoke weed and try to do this. Do that later. Or just a small amount, whatever. You could get hurt, so I would say don't do anything. Electricity